Yeah, there's a quick video for the Anycubic team. We had a print failure early on. This is the first time I've used it for about a week or so. I have downloaded new software, but we had a print failure. And ever since the print failure, it's making this bloody awful noise. I've got absolutely no idea what it is. Everything's tight. It's never done it before. It's making a right racket. It sounds like a car horn going off. It's very bizarre. Very annoying. This is the first time I've been able to get it to print. I'm not sure what it was. There was nothing clogged. The print head wasn't clogged. Retracted the filament, tried a different filament. That works okay. Put the other filament back in. And as you can see, it's printing, but what a racket. I've got no idea what it is. Everything's tight, as I say. This is actually in my back room of my house, and it's that loud. It's unbelievable. I have no idea what it is. Hope you can help.